Hi everyone, I'm Tina Zink, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nova Scotia, Canada, and today I have a video for you that's a little bit different. I have been going through my card stash and pulling out all my cards with stamp sets that are retiring, and let me tell you, there are hundreds and hundreds of cards. So I thought I would do a little video to share some of them with you because the product used on these cards are retiring. And there's so many incredible samples, and I'm so inspired, and I'm so sad to see them go because now I just want to play with all these stamp sets and accessories that are retiring at the end of this month. So I have so many cards, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it all in one video, and if that's the case, I'll do 2 videos. So I have my tea and my Stampin' Up! Cup and I am ready to start showing you some of these great samples. So a lot of these cards are from classes that I've held and different events that I've held, but many are also card swaps that I've gotten from other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators. And I don't have time to go through and tell you who made every single card just because we'll be here forever because I have so many cards. But I just want to share the inspiration with you, so I'm going to get started. So this one is using the Blooms and Wishes stamp set. And so this is a beautiful card, and of course our copper ribbon that's retiring and the gold gems that are also retiring. I'll actually take it out of the plastic, be easier for you to see. There we go, then you don't get the glare. So that's a beautiful card. Now here's another card using exactly the same stamp set as well as our number dies that I believe are also retiring. This card came to me from Stampin' Up! Canada last year when I celebrated my 15th anniversary. Isn't that gorgeous? So that came from Dale Hampshire, our amazing manager, and he spoils us. So all of us Canadian demonstrators get cards for our birthdays and for our Stampin' Up! Anniversary. So this was from last year, and again it's using the same stamp set as this one. This is a card that I made with my team for a mystery stamping event. Every month we have our Stamp and Share team meeting online, and then we do mystery stamping hour afterwards, and so I give them step-by-steps. And at the end we share cards that we've made. So it's kind of fun because I have demonstrators all across Canada and we can stamp together and create together. So this was just a card that I made. Now this stamp set, this bird, from the set that this bird is from is not retiring, but the designer series paper is, the color theory. And this background stamp is from the You've Got This, so that's retiring, and so is the ribbon. And this stamp set, the sentiment I believe is from Yay You, which is a host-only stamp set, so I thought I would show that card. This is a fun card. I love how the wood grain designer series paper is used in the background. So this stamp set here is retiring. This is from the Mixed Drinks stamp set. So here's another card that's retiring. This is using the Pieces and Patterns stamp set. So that's a cute, that's a really cute card. And of course the coordinating designer series paper. Here's another beautiful card that's retiring. This is using So Many Shells, and it's got the texture paste on the back with our stencil, which is pretty cool, but I think that's just a gorgeous card. I absolutely love that. And I keep a lot of these swaps even after they retire because I can use the layout for different cards. This is where I get a lot of my inspiration. So this card is made with the super cute We Must Celebrate stamp set, and it's retiring. This is in the Occasions catalog. So I made this for a class, and I'm sad to see it go. That's super cute. This one is a swap that I received. It's using Bird Banter, and it's stamped underneath a piece of vellum. So that's a really great way to use our vellum with the nice little balloons, using our Myths and Magical designer series paper and the Myths and Magical washi tape with the glitter in there, all retiring. This card is using the Fruit Basket, which is the stamps, the little fruit, have the coordinating punches. So this is a simple card, but I absolutely love the simplicity of it. I think it's a great card and it's an awesome layout. This one's using the Magical Day stamp set with the Coordinating Designer Series paper. Great layout. Here's another card using the Bird Banter from the Occasions catalog, and that's using the sequin embossing folders used in the background. Love that card. This card is using the Truly Tailored stamp set from our current Occasions catalog. Now it also has a coordinating punch, which is the Tailored Tag Punch. That punch is not retiring. It's being carried over, but right now until the end of May you can purchase it with the Truly Tailored stamp set and save 10% and, you know, get it all as a bundle. That ends the end of this month. The gorgeous Truly Gentleman Designer Series paper used on this card also retires at the end of this month. It might already be gone, to be honest. I haven't checked the list yet to see if it's still available. Here's another card, and using the gorgeous ribbon. This is our Night of Navy corduroy ribbon, also in the Occasions catalog. So this card, I'm going to take it out. This was made by my friend Rosemary Coleman. She's in Calgary, Alberta, and I got this swap from her. She's a great friend of mine because look, this has a fun fold. So that heart just slips right in there. I love that. That is such a great design. This stamp set is from our Occasions catalog, our 2018 Occasions catalog, and it's called Sure Do Love You. It's on page 19, and the gorgeous Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and our Love Mini Tinsel Trim Combo Pack. So everything on this card is retiring, but how fun is that? Here's a card using the Magical Day stamp set and the Coordinating Myths and Magical Designer Series paper and washi tape. This card is using Moon Baby stamp set. This card is using the Remarkable You stamp set for the Sentiment and Petal Garden Designer Series paper. What a great layout. Simple but beautiful. This card is using the Orange Blossom stamp set and the beautiful Designer Series paper. All of this is retiring. I love this card. Lots of inspiration. This card is using the Hello Color stamp in the background. Hopefully you can see that okay on the camera because it is tone on tone, but it's a fantastic card. It's a fantastic layout, and it's got all kinds of fun goodies on here with the ribbon and the sequin trim and the little bits of cardstock and twine, the doily. I really love this card. This stamp set has been around for a long time and it's retiring. This is called the Thoughts and Prayers stamp set. This is a great layout, nice and simple, very elegant. This card uses the Birthday Blooms stamp set, as does this one. This is another beautiful card using that stamp set. All these great sets that are retiring. Look how fun this one is. This is using the Seaside Shore, and the crumb cake cardstock has just been torn at the bottom and glued on top. So this folder is called Seaside, and it's not retiring. It's being carried over. And the hello is from the Jar of Love, and the Jar of Love is being carried over, but the sweet stamps are not. And this cute card, Message in a Bottle, it's retiring. And this is the shaving cream technique on the glossy cardstock, and I'm pretty sure I haven't done a video on that. It's a very old technique, but it's super fun, so I should do a technique video on that for you because it makes such a great marble background. So Message in a Bottle, retiring. So this is a card that I did with my team. So this is using the You've Got This stamp set, which is retiring, and I stamped the flower on vellum, flipped it over, and I used my my stylus tool, and I just rubbed on the back of the vellum and it makes it go white, and then I just glued it on top of the stamped image. Really easy, but such a great technique. So I'm gonna leave it at that for today, and I will do another video. Probably gonna do 2 more videos with all the cards that are retiring. So thanks for watching. I hope you got lots of inspiration, and again, if there's anything that you're seeing, that you're loving. Remember, you've got until the end of this month to get your retiring products before they're gone. And just a heads up, some of the items that I've shown you may already be gone. For instance, the designer series paper could be sold out already. The washi tape could be sold out. So keep that in mind. A lot of items could already be sold out. So just lots of inspiration. As you can see, there's there's so many great stamp sets retiring. So get your favorites before they're gone. Thanks for watching. Happy stamping.